going to the Philippines now.
Yeah.
Bye, Papa. And now we're going home. Anna kissed a boy.
Yeah.
She kissed a boy sa lips.
Anna! Hoe was je aan het schoonmaken?
Ja. Ik heb dat broom. Zo. Ja, sige. Clean. Sige. I'm vlogging.
Oh.
Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen.
Good morning.
Goedemorgen, Anna.
I put it on like that one, so when I'm recording, it doesn't. You can see the flashing red.
Okay.
Not flashing, but the red light. It means you're recording. Because when we're outside, it makes me feel uncomfortable when people know that I'm recording.
Yeah.
Sometimes some people look at you. It's a little bit uncomfortable.
Oh, je still have your carpaccio dan?
Yeah, I'll have it for breakfast. Carpaccio for breakfast.
Ja, zie.
Wait, it's not dessert time. Now mine. Nee. Papa's gonna. Can you give one to Anna?
One bread.
One for Anna.
Yeah, I eat it with Anna and I give one out. Come on.
Ja.
Goed zo, hè?
You stop cleaning. No. Anna! Go to Papa B!
Kom maar.
So.
Anna. Kom maar.
Hi. Madam. Wait, Anna.
Ja, maar stil op. Nog steeds heet, Anna.
That's one thing she can't do, huh? Wait.
She says from you, I think.
No, I think she got it from you. Dutch people. Blab blab. You can see planes today, Anna.
Yeah. I hope so.
Oh yeah. Are there a lot of flights already, Dodo? In Eindhoven?
Nah, it's not as big as Schiphol, it's smaller, of course.
Okay.
But some flights, yeah. Anna, ben je eruit? Ja, lekker ja. It's Anna's birthday one. We still want Dutch birthday. Not like this bread and we want Dutch birthday, not like this bread and padisal and
I don't know. What do you want?
Oh, dankjewel Anna.
What will we do? Wow.
Yeah?
What shall we do?
Just it's still a long time.
Yeah, but I like to plan ahead.
Oh.
Are you doing a Dutch way or Filipino? You cannot do both, why? It's really...
Filipino way and we get bosbol and pie.
Okay. Because I'll have Filipino guests for sure. Angelo, Lexi. And then Anna goes to opvang.
Right.
Already, yeah.
Yeah.
So, is there? Do we need to do something at the opvang too?
Yeah, fake.
Huh?
Fake.
No, I mean for her birthday, ba? Because I see in the mother's group, they also prepare some stuff for.
Oh yeah, maybe. We can bring something for the kids.
Yeah. Mama is also gonna eat.
Ik vind dit Dennis lekker.
You have strawberry here, oh? I got this from the market. And breakfast is gonna be kapachu. Kahapon pa to eh. So guys, ilalabas ko muna si Ana. Ana, let's go. Kasi nagtatrabaho yung papa niya sa taas ba. So ako na ang bragbutanin na. Ako na. Grabe yung aking breakouts these days. Basta winter talaga, breakout. Uy, grabe yun. Come, Ana. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Machi-machi kami ni Ana na ano.
Let's go. Go, Mama. Go. It's really cold. Watch out, watch out. Down. Uy, tanaw, naghinuktok man. Bye, Papa. Duy, Papa.
Anna.
Duy, Papa. Duy, Papa. Duy, Papa.
Zo.
Let's go, uy.
Mama.
Mama.
Kusje papa.
Kusje, Papa. Duy, duy.
Mama.
Let's go.
Baboesbaan.
Baboes na daw. Let's go. Labas na kami. Tingnan nyo naman ang outfit ng madam. Yeah, where are we going lang? Where are we going?
Yeah, papas.
Uwi na kami. Ayaw niyang maglakad. Oh, let's go. Doon kami dadaan sa likod. To the back, Anna. Okay. Uy.
Dadang.
Ja?
Hi, nako. She doesn't want to go anywhere.
Well, small walk.
Yeah, she just wants to go back. Go to Papa. Go. Go to Papa. Papa is here. Oh, it's here. Oh. No, she thought you're there.
Anna.
Papa, oh. Kijk.
Anna.
Papa is here. Daro. Her face. There's Papa. She's looking for you, Dodo. Yeah, that was a very long walk. She didn't want to go anywhere, Dodo. Yeah, she keeps pointing up when she sees jets or planes.
Ja, we're gonna watch later.
Yeah. She said, Boang. She said, Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Kusje, mami?
Mwah.
I'm not your mommy, I'm mama. Mommy is Lola.
Let's go inside na. Yuck. That was a very long walk.
May papakita ako sa inyo.
Dennis is smoking, so don't film it on.
It's okay. Just here.
And
They're out. Then my tulips are out. Yeah, I need to clean. Here. Mga tulips ko
Dat is
ito.
dan zaadje gekomen, dat zie ik in mezelf. En dat is op een gegeven moment leuk, om zelf vooruit te doen.
Anna, kom maar.
Ano ko?
Hello guys, so kakain na kami. Ito, may leftover kami na Chinese food last night. And si Anna nagmi-milk. Kumain na po siya. And Ruth and Dennis are still working upstairs, so sa third floor. Hindi pa rin siya tapos. I think kailangan mga 2 weekends pa. Weekends lang kasi sila nagtatrabaho ba? Sila lang dalawa nagtrabaho. Hello! Kami
Oh, Ana,
ay
ha?
papunta sa... paalis na kami. Ana is over there. Machi-machi pa din kami. Pupunta na kaming Eindhoven. Malapit sa airport kasi Ana can see the plane from...
Not super close.
not super close, but
Yeah, like that, yeah.
let's see. We're already using the wide lens. Yung binili ko na wide lens. So far, okay naman siya. Oh, sure. Somebody is busy, she's reading. Odo? Shada! Hi, Papa! Hi, Papa! Hi, Papa! Ang daming mga bata.
Yeah.
Are you going to the Philippines now?
Yeah.
Bye, Papa. And now we're going home. Iwanan ni Ana, Ayan na, nakaano sa leggings ko. Nakahawak sa leggings ko. May parating na in 15 minutes. So, Ana, where are you going? May pa take off. It's up. Yeah. Yeah. Moja? Ana.
Nog pin alsjeblieft.
Nasa drive-thru kami ng McDonald's. Kasi gutom na, besh.
Ja, fijne avond.
Kita mo yung mga staff na nag-prepare ng pagkain. Yung mga frito, yung fries natin. Malalaki
Nice
yung
portie.
Yeah. Ooh. This one too, wow. Wow, this is
Yeah.
really nice. A lot of cars.
Ja, a lot of cars.
Mooi.
Moet de kip op, hè? En goed. En de melk, weet niet dat.
Yeah, okay. Dankjewel. Nasa bahay na kami. Si Chow.
Ja, ik gonna help you. I need
Si-
cola,
si-
so you don't have cola. So
Nasa bahay na kami, so mag-haul lang kami. Nag-drop by kami sa grocery. Para sa grocery namin this week. So may cola tayo para kay Ruth. And also, pag may bisita kami, ganyan. Ganito po yung mga tray na ginagamit namin para sa boat scapron or pag nag-grocery kami. Of course, Ruth got chocolate.
high five.
This is for Ana, waffle. Gusto niya to. And I also bought, mask. Kasi paubos na yung mask namin na galing pa sa Pilipinas na dala ko. And kumuha din ako na, naka 30% siya. So from €4.69, lang siya, €3.28. Mga pork chop, na to, malaking pieces siya. 700 grams. Wow. And then, ipakita ko pala yung nabili ko na damit dati. Pinapakita ko ba to dati? Pag bumili ka ng dalawang piraso, na lang siya, €25. Pero pag isa-isa lang, €15 per piece. So, ito siya. From Only. And bumili. I also bought an air freshener. Ito. Let's try this one, babe. It's Zen Bloom Fleur Zen.
Oh ja, normally that's from the toilet, I think.
Huh? Yes, for the toilet.
Yeah.
No, it's not only for the toilet to do it.
No?
No, you can also do this here.
Yeah, you can, but then everybody thinks you did poo-poo.
Oh, it smells good. Only you think that way. Weird is it. Ito, bumili ako ng carrots para sa ating lumpia. Kasi gagawa na naman ako ng lumpia tomorrow. And then, bumili ako ng ganitong bread. You need to put this in the oven or not, if you want. And may ano din tayo. Ano pa ba ito? Ito, donut ni Ana. How much was the donut, Papa? €1?
I don't know, 40 cents for one or 35 for one.
Oh, I thought it's promo.
They did
Meron
that-
din tayong biscuit. Ito for Ana. And of course, ang ating patatas for the lumpia. I also bought
I already
onions for
put the price up.
Si Ruth may mga nilagay na sa freezer, hindi siya nakapaghintay kasi hindi niya alam na mabuhol pala ako. May mga frozen na doon, vegetables, mga yung frozen na fries natin, french fries. Ganun. What else? May chicken din kaming binili na marami kasi it was cheaper there. Ruth is having strawberry now. Manangagda, walang yun, nangagda. And Ruth bought this one too, the multivitamin drink. Fruit drink. Mix na po to siya. And then we have coffee. Yung isa sa mga dito, napansin ko yung mga tao pag nagbisita, hilig talaga sila mag-serve ng coffee and tea. And this one, milk chocolate, bubble, Mr. Pag umuwi ako ng Pilipinas or pag nagpadala ako ng box sa amin, gusto kong bumili ng mga chocolate sa sa Lidl kasi mura tapos not bad. Masasarap yung mga nila, mga chocolate nila. And we also have mayonnaise, Vitador from Vitador. Papa, what's Romige? Romige.
Creamy.
Huh?
Creamy.
Oh, Romige? Did I pronounce it correctly? Romige.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, of course, ito, tissue. Ano pa? That's it? Bumili din kami ng milk ni Ana. Oh, yeah. Dodong, were you gonna give the CD to Kuan? To Dennis?
The what, sir?
The CD.
The
Not
DVD.
CD, the DVD.
I'm gonna donate them to the second hand shop.
DVD ang tawag dito, DVD. Oh. Cool runnings. Ano, ito din siya.
Yeah.
Ito, kay Anat, kay Ruth pala to. And then, cookies for Ruth. What else did we get? Milk. 2 for 60. Mga milk. And then, mga tinapay pa. So, yun lang. Yun lang ginawa na. Ang binili namin, ang nakamahal yung yung chicken kasi marami. I think bumili kami ng 10 packs ng chicken. I think each pack was like 400 grams, I think, no, for the chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yun. Hindi kasali yun sa namin sa weekly na shopping. Yun. Bumili pala kami ng saging for Ana. And then more apples for Ruth. Yeah. Ito siya, kasi naglilinis sila sa 3rd floor. Ito, may nakita si Ruth na souvenir ata niya to sa souvenir niya sa Bali. So, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag mo itapon. Gusto kong ilagay siya somewhere. Kasi kami ng mga gamit na hindi na gamitin sa bahay ba.
I gave him a strawberry, but he's not a big fan.
You don't like strawberry? Papa likes it. May chika pala ako sa inyo, guys. Ana kissed a boy.
Yeah.
She kissed a boy sa lip. Yung kanina ba, pakita ko sa inyo yung picture ng boy. Hindi ako nakapag-video because, yeah, I was not sure if they would like it, no? Na i-film ko yung bata ba. But yeah, it was very cute. Pero, she's not allowed to kiss a boy until what age,
22.
22. Yeah, but she already kissed a boy at 21 months. Hello. So anyway, it was a nice weekend, nice day with Ana and Papa. And Nene. She kept saying earlier, Moon daw, Moon. Man. Say bye-bye now, Ana. Say goodbye to the vlog, Ana. Doei. Thank you, Belle. Nag-kiss pa. Na, yun na yung ating vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating channel, giefamvlogs. Kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod na video. Papa, duy-duy.
Doei doei!
Mush, mush, babush!